name is Mr. Benny, and I'm going to show you how to burp a lot. Here you go. First, you gotta eat a lot and drink a lot. Okay, ready to go. Burp.